So this is a reshipment of an SD cards that I ordered. I ordered them 2 days ago from Amazon, and they came, but they were damaged. I have them over here. This is the original package that came yesterday with the two this one's right here, and it's 128 gigabytes, and they don't have the lock unlock mechanism thing on the side. It's missing. I'm so blind I can't see, but see, there's nothing there. Nothing. And one of them opens, like, see, that one is open. This thing, the SD card thingamajig just fell out, so put it back in there. So I had them reship them, and they're both the same way. This one here, the other one, is not, it doesn't open, but it don't have the lock thingamajig. Let's see. I know it's dark in my house. Sorry, peoples. It doesn't have it. Neither of them do, and then this one is the open one. But neither of them do, so I can't, and it's on the lock position, and so I can't use them because the card reader says that they're in the lock position, and I can't unlock it. So I had them send me a replacement, and I'm hoping that it's not damaged as well, because it probably is defective from the company. So now, just so that they don't say, oh, you're messing them up, this is the package. It hasn't been opened yet. So this is what came just now. Let me cut it open. Let me take it out. Here it is. Let me put my eyes on, and it doesn't open this way, so I have to, oh, they have it, I see it. So these ones do have the little thing on the side there. See the little yellow thing there? See that? They have it. Now let me see if, okay, they don't seem damaged. See, they have the little yellow button. So, yay! And they both have it. Those are probably some that were sent back, just to make sure that they're not open. This is not open either, so this one does have it as well. So I'm glad. I was recording this because I was dreading that I was going to have to send them back, but these are good. So I will send those other ones back. And, yeah. So, this is a review on the Gigastone 128 gigabyte SD cards. One of them is for my camera, for my Canon, and another one is for my other video camera that I make my vlogging posts on. Alright guys, well, let me see, is this over 4 minutes. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my little review. Like I said, I was just recording myself because like I said, I was thinking that they were gonna arrive damaged, and then I don't want them, whoever the seller is, to be like, hey, she's breaking them. Because this has happened to me before where they keep sending me the same item, but it's damaged. So I'm happy. They're both good. I'm going to try it on my camera later, but I'm pretty sure that there's going to be no issue. And I thank you guys for watching. I will be uploading another video later on tonight. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Love you.